Hi everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here today. I am really excited to hang out with you. So excited because, guys, honestly, I'm over the top excited about this one because today we are playing with the Powerpuff Girl collection from ColourPop. I just need to let you all know before we jump into the makeup that I am so into the Powerpuff Girls, and I have been since they first came out way back when. Like, I dug through my stuff and I actually found some of the original DVDs that I had from high school. I have had these for, I don't want to say how long, let's just say a while. I was super obsessed with this show. My favorite character is Bubbles. With that being said, don't forget to subscribe and let's jump in. We're gonna look at some of the items that are in the collection, especially the things that I won't be using today, and then we are gonna make an eye look. So I kept everything in its original packaging because it is so adorable. Do you see how cute this is? These are the overnight lip masks. So there's two flavors, I'm guessing, or scents, sugar and spice, and then everything nice, which are the ingredients minus Chemical X that make up the Powerpuff Girls. So that's adorable. There's little holographic designs on the top. I forget this guy's name, but I think that's Bubbles' favorite stuffed animal. No, that's Octi. I don't know who this is. Who is this? But yeah, so cute. So those are the overnight lip masks. Another thing that I won't be playing with today, but that I'm really excited to use in the future, are the hair clips. My hair's being disobedient today. My hair's being a little wild, so I had to throw her back in a ponytail and just kind of get it out of the way. It is not cooperating, but I am so excited to use these little hair clips with the girls on them. I kind of wish they didn't say ColourPop and just had like the character and the little hearts and flowers, but it's not the end of the world. I will definitely still use these. And then there's one other thing that came as part of this collection, and again, this packaging is so adorable. This is a bath bomb. It's called Drama Bomb, and it's a little star-shaped bath bomb. Ooh, I don't know what that scent is, but that's nice. Oh my gosh, look at the side of this box. Do you see how beautiful that is? I think we just found our eye look for today. Yes, pink into blue into green. Let's do it. That's what we're gonna do for our eye look today. Yes. Look at the inside of this packaging and tell me that's not friggin' adorable! But obviously we are not taking a bath together, sorry guys. So I'm not using this today. So now it's time to jump into the makeup, the reason we're here. So the first thing that I wanna look at today are the blushes. Again, this packaging is so cute. So this blush is called Saving the World. It's this pink one. It's called Saving the World. Oh, and it's heart-shaped. Let me just do it this way. This is like a really nice peachy, pinky color. And then the blue one is called Fighting Crime. Ooh, and this is more of a hot pink. This also comes in the heart shape, which is adorable. It's easier for me to hold it this way. This is just like a bright pink blush. I think today I'm actually gonna play it a little more subtle and do the blush, the peachy blush called Saving the World. I will say the nice thing about it not having like an adorable like design pressed into the blush is that I don't feel nearly as guilty using it. Do you guys do that too? Do you like feel kind of bad? Like on the Hello Kitty collection, they have her bow and her face, and I'm always like, oh, I'm sorry, Hello Kitty's face. I have to destroy you now. So I don't have that guilt. I can just go into this heart and not feel bad. That is really pretty. I like that a lot, and I think because I'm a little bit tan right now, I know, don't make fun of me, this is me tan. This actually just looks really nice and like kind of natural, like I just got some color. Looks really, really pretty. So as part of this collection, there are 3 color sticks in addition to the eyeshadow palette. And what I love about these is that they're the villains. So you have Princess Morebucks, Mojo, Jojo, and him. Iconic. I've actually never played with the ColourPop color sticks. Wow, these are so cool. I am definitely gonna have to play with these a lot more after I film this video. Look at these colors, like they're shimmery. Do you see that? Please tell me you see that. Oh, they're so cool. They're like metallic and glittery. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to try and incorporate these as part of the look if I can. But these are really, really cool. Here is the thing that sold me on this collection. I mean, it was Powerpuff Girls, so I was sold to begin with. When I saw this, I was just blown away. First of all, how cute is this packaging? I can't. It's so adorable. And this does have a really big mirror. Try and show it to you so you don't see everything in the reflections. Like, adorable. And then here is the palette. It's bright, it's fun. You have all the colors of the girls, plus some shimmers to match back, plus some neutrals. Like, oh, this palette just drew me in immediately when I saw it. I am so excited to play with this. So, so excited. We're gonna try and do this like pink to blue to green gradient from the inside out. I'm gonna dip in with the ColourPop E21. And I'm going to start with this pink color here called the Fashionistas. And I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so that is what we have so far. I just kind of stamped the color down on that inner third of my eye. I'm just gonna wipe off that same brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the blue color, this one right here, called the Rowdy Rough Boys. It's making the purple like on the box. Oh, I'm so excited! This blended together so beautifully. Oh, I'm so excited that worked out the way I hoped it would. Same thing, same brush, well not same thing, same brush. I'm going to go into that green shade right here called Silico and use that on the outer part of my eye. Yep, it looks good. I am gonna touch up that blue just a tad. It looks so cute. I love it. I think what I'm gonna do first is buff out my crease just a little bit, more like my brow bone, with this like tan shade here called Crime Fighting. You probably can hardly tell because it's pretty close to the color of my skin. All right, so I've softened up the edge there a tad. So there are these 3 shades in the middle row, Frenemy, Chemical X, and Super Friends. And I think I'm going to use those on my lid from inner to outer. So just kind of give a little shimmer to the lid. I don't know if I like that, but that's okay because I was planning on doing a lot of this Super Friends shade anyway, so. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you see how sparkly and beautiful that is? And then there's this shade right here called Professor Utonium. I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. Wow, that shade is stunning. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my gosh. This palette is great. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I love that a lot. And then I still have not decided what I'm doing with the lower lash line. Like, should I pop in these guys just to play with them? I could try that. And I'm just going to take a brush like this. This is the Morphe Y20. And I'm gonna smudge that a little bit. I like it. Okay. So I think as far as eyeshadow palette goes, I'm done with the eye. I'm gonna recreate the same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the other eye done. I love how it looks so far. I'm gonna throw on a little eyeliner and mascara, and I might use some of my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This is the shade Distortion. I love this, so I might play with this a little bit too. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and threw on some eyeliner, some mascara, and I did use that Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid, or glitter eyeliner rather, to just outline where the color is. And I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but in person it's really cute. So I am super happy with how the eyes came out. Oh, I also threw the blue color stick into my waterline. And I am wearing blue mascara, so hopefully that's poppin'. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks really good, you guys. I also threw on some highlighter because no look is complete without a highlight. So all we have left are the lips. And in this collection, there are 3 adorable roller lip gloss colors, flavors. I feel like they're all clear, so I think they're all gonna be kind of the same. Again, this packaging is freaking adorable. Like, just so cute. You got Blossom, you got Buttercup, and my girl, Bubbles. And since this is my favorite, we're gonna use her. And I did throw a little highlighter on my lips just because I knew we were just going in with a clear, maybe lightly blue tinted gloss. It smells like really artificially flavored blue raspberry. All right. Do these all smell different, or they all smell different? This one smells like cotton candy. So Blossom smells like cotton candy. This better be sour apple. It is. It's sour apple. Ah, yes. So good. So good. All right, everyone. We're here with Sebastian with the finished look. Sir, you are not allowed on the table. No, you are not. I love you. I love you, but you're not allowed on the table. No, you are not. Say hi, everyone. I'm a bad kitty who tries to jump on the table. Are you gonna finish the video with me? Okay. Let's finish strong then. I think this is a big win for ColourPop, both licensing-wise, packaging-wise, and product-wise. And I just think it performs amazing. And I'm so happy with the final look. I'm so glad I saw the side of that bath bomb box and was like, oh, inspiration. Sebastian and I think you should subscribe. He's literally just shoved his head into the crook of my arm and just sitting there purring. This is Hello Iya and Sebastian saying, see ya!